AI machines versus humans. Will AI machines replace humans? Part 2 of 5. The core differences in learning. Let's take a real-world case. AlphaGo versus Sedol. AlphaGo, an AI developed by DeepMind, learned to play the ancient board game Go by analyzing millions of past matches. Sedol, a world champion, learned through years of practice, intuition, and strategy building. When they faced off in 2016, AlphaGo won 4-1, but not because it understood Lee. Instead, it predicted the best moves based on statistical probabilities. Lee, on the other hand, played using creativity and intuition. Even in defeat, he made moves so original that AlphaGo struggled to predict them. This example highlights the fundamental difference. Machines learn by recognizing patterns. Humans learn by understanding concepts and thinking beyond them.